guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another gorgeous party makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this monochromatic purple smoky eye look with beautiful purple glitter in it. And not only that, in today's video I am going to share with you how to apply false eyelashes. Recently I got a request from one of you to show you how to apply false eyelashes, so that is also included in this video. Talking about today's look, this can be a perfect look for all your pink outfits, purple outfits, or even black outfits. This is just a perfect nighttime jazz party look. So yeah, before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please take a moment to subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. I'm starting with my brows, and for that I am taking my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I am just doing my brows. And guys, if you have any video request, then feel free to comment down below. I just love creating your requested looks or making your requested videos. You just have to give me some time. You know, it sometimes takes a little more time to collect products, or if some event is coming up, then probably I have some pre-filmed videos that I want to upload first. For example, if Diwali is coming up, then I would prefer my Diwali look to go up first, right? So just give me some time and I will make sure to film your requested videos. And I just quickly cleaned up the borders of my brows using my TruBlend concealer from Covergirl, and I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids. And now I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge from Wet n Wild. To set the concealer in place, I am taking this Too Faced Born This Way translucent loose powder, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking this kind of reddish brown shade from my Beauty Glazed Color Board eyeshadow palette, and with this Morphe M441 brush I am applying it as my transition color. I recently shared with you a full in-depth review, pros, cons of this eyeshadow palette. I will mention it on the I button over there or in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. And I found so many cons and so many pros about this eyeshadow palette. And if you have already watched this that video, you must know that I already mentioned that there are some repetitive shades in this eyeshadow palette, and I wish there were some like light browns to apply as a transition shade, but it is what it is. Now I am taking this matte purple shade and I am applying it, mainly focusing on my crease, and then I will apply the color on my outer V area just to have a base for the next shade. And I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. Yeah, I would have preferred a matte black as well, just to deepen up that outer V area a little more. Yeah, so make sure to check that video out. I'm sure you are going to love that video. Now I am taking this dark matte purple shade, and with this Profusion Cosmetics brush I am applying it on my outer V area, and I am first just stamping it and then blending it out. So whenever you are working with some kind of darker, deeper shades, first just stamp the product and then blend it out. That way it won't become patchy. With this kind of darker, deeper shades, they tend to become patchy pretty easily, so you don't want that. And taking whatever is left on the brush, I am applying it on my crease. Now I am taking this matte blue shade from the palette and I am applying it on top of that previous shade, because the lead shade that I will be applying, it has a bluish purplish undertone to it. It's not like a red purple, it's kind of bluish purple. And now I am taking this particular shade from the palette and I am applying it all over on my eyelid. Though they call it a shimmery purple, but I would call it kind of a satin purple. It's not like super blinding or foiled metallic, it's kind of a satin shade. And now I am taking the same matte purple shade, like light matte purple shade, and I'm blending out the edges to have that nice smooth gradient effect. And do not worry if it is looking a little rough right now. Once I lay down all the shades, it will become perfect. I'm applying the same shade between the shimmery purple shade and that dark purple shade. Now I am taking the NYX glitter primer, and first I'm just applying it all over on the purple shade. And for my glitter, I'm using this beautiful purple glitter from the palette. It's stunning, and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelid. I mentioned in my review video that if you are willing to use the glitters from this palette, you need to use either an eyelash glue or a glitter primer underneath. Otherwise, the glitter will fall off pretty easily. Now I'm just drawing a wing using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. And before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my face and then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, I am using my NYX Hydra Touch Primer Oil, and I'm just massaging it all over on my face and neck. And I literally took just 3 drops of this product. If you take too much of it, then your foundation may slide off. Though I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago, since I moved to California, my skin has become so dry, you guys. The dryness is unreal, and I have never experienced this kind of dryness ever before. My skin is literally peeling, so I needed that extra boost of hydration. For my color corrector, I am mixing these L.A.Girl orange and yellow correctors together, and I have taken 3 parts of the yellow corrector and 1 part of the orange corrector to make my custom shade, and I am just color correcting using my finger. I like to apply my color correctors using my finger because the warmth of my finger just helps to melt the product onto my skin. I recently shared with you how to stop your concealer from creasing. That video is going to be super duper helpful for you because all the tips that I shared in that video, they are literally life changing, and I use all those tips for my day-to-day basis, and they work for me. I will mention the link in the description box or over on the I button. Make sure to check it out because trust me, those tips are really amazing. So make sure to check that video out. For my foundation, today I am using this Milani foundation in the shade 06, and I am just buffing it in using that same damp beauty sponge. Since I already applied that primer oil, the foundation is looking a little bit dewy, but it is a matte foundation. It lasts all day long. It is a full coverage foundation, and you know, whenever I mention that some foundation is full coverage, I always get a comment that it's not full coverage. Actually, coverage is very much subjective. On my skin, on my minor imperfections, it is a full coverage foundation, but if you have really darker and deep spots, then it might not be enough. It might be like a medium coverage foundation for you. So coverage is very much subjective. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same TruBlend concealer from Covergirl, and this is in the shade Soft Tan, and now I'm just blending it out using the same damn beauty sponge. If you are planning to use this concealer, just blend it out right away because it sets pretty quickly, and once it sets, it just does not want to move. So just apply and blend. To set the concealer in place, I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way powder in the shade Translucent, and I'm just setting my under eye area as well as my smile lines using the same damp sponge. To set my entire makeup, I am using this Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Universal Finishing Powder. To contour my face, I am using this Revolution Pro bronzer in the shade Cacao, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face. This particular bronzer has a grayish undertone to it, so it is perfect for contouring. For my overall bronzer, I always prefer something with a little bit of warm or red undertone. So it's perfect for contouring, but it is not my overall bronzer. For my bronzer today, I am using this Wet n Wild Hot Shady Beaches bronzer, and I'm just warming up my face. It has the pretty warm undertone to it, and whenever you apply a bronzer on top of a contour shade, your contour just looks so natural and diffused. For my blush, I am using this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow, and I'm applying it on top of my cheeks, and I prefer to apply a little more blush because by the time I finish up my makeup, it already starts to fade. And for my highlighter, I am using this Molten Gold highlighter from Maybelline, and the brush that I am using is from Real Techniques. I am also highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners. And now I'm finishing up my eye makeup. For that, first I'm just outlining my eyes using my Milani Stay Put eyeliner in the shade black, and now I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using that dark purple shade, and now I am just smudging it out again using my transition color. I am curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara. It's really important to apply a coat of mascara before using your falsies. Oh my god, I cannot speak today. And I'm using these kiss lashes. Whenever you are choosing your eyelashes, try to choose something with really flexible lash band. And for my lash glue, I'm using these kiss lashes, and first I'm just brushing it all over on the band, and then I prefer to take a little more product and I just dab it on the inner corner and on the outer corner, because these are the problematic areas. So you need a little more lash glue on these two parts, and I just literally blow it for a solid like 30 to 40 seconds. And then taking a tweezer, I just first like place the lash, and then I just adjust the inner corner and the outer corner, and then I just pinch it with my finger like this so that it blends well with my natural lashes. Again, just chin up and place the lash in an angle, and just first place it and then adjust the inner corner and the outer corner. I must say it takes a little bit of practice. When I first started using lashes, it took me a solid 3 to 4 months to get it perfected. So yeah, just keep on practicing and trust me, you will get there. It's not like a overnight thing. To set my entire makeup, I am using this Maybelline setting spray, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. And for my lips, I decided to go with a pinkish nude lipstick, and for that first I'm lining my lips using my NYX lip liner in the shade Mahogany. You guys, if you are a nude lipstick person, you need this lip liner in your collection because it goes well with almost all my nude lipsticks. And for my lipstick, I'm using my Holy Grail Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha, and they recently changed the formula of these lipsticks, and these are even more comfortable on the lips, and of course they last all day long, and it is super duper comfortable, not drying at all. I love this new formulation, and that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. How glam the look is, just tell me, is it not glam? I really liked the way the entire look came together, and I love purples. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button, and please do subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there, because I upload a lot of YouTube shorts, Instagram reels and makeup tutorials on my Instagram. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.